Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm going to open up some more Hot Wheels. So these are the 1/64 scale, I believe. Now this is Hot Wheels Premium Subaru pack. So you've got a Subaru Impreza WRX and a 16 Subaru. That's actually WRX STI. So that one's actually not a Impreza anymore. I know that because I have my 15 and they actually just call it a Subaru WRX now. But I bought this because I have a blue one as well. And I thought, yep, I'm buying this definitely. So, not going to leave it as a unopenable. We do have what looks like, I'm guessing, a bug eye version. So what's that? 2001, 2 or 3 maybe. What we have on the back here, there's a Bugatti Veyron version. So this is actually another pack you can get, and the Nissan Sentra and Silvia S13. Wasn't interested in those. I very much like the rally cars. We do have the Subaru Rally Blue with the diamonds that they have used on previous rally cars instead of the 555 sponsorship, which is a cigarette sponsorship, and many countries ban that. So I'm actually going to open these. So I'm not going to keep them as sealed. I'm not going to do that for these. I've only got a few limited ones that I've decided to keep sealed. So if you're a collector, sorry, but I'm an opener, except for a limited number. They've got some decent weight in just the models. I'll put them on the shelf. Both got the same wheels. So we've got some gold plastic printed wheels by the looks of it. Does this one actually say what it is? Just Subaru Impreza WRX. It's got S45 on the bottom, a DWH89. It's a 2017 Mattel. And this one has 2016 Subaru WRX STI GJR 66, I think it is, and a S48 Hot Wheels made in Thailand. Both are made in Thailand, yep, as you would imagine being put together. Decent print on this. See if I can get that on light. It does look like it's got some sort of written advertising on the front. I can't see what that is. Let's see if we can zoom in. No, I can't seem to press the zoom. Oh, there we go. That's Subaru Technica? Not sure. Go back out. I do like these. They'll sit on my shelf very well. It looks like we've got some sort of plate on the back, as well as the Subaru. We've got the multi-finned wing. We have a Subaru, so the STI on that side. It looks like probably the, man, they make it pretty tiny. Not sure I'm even going to be able to show that on there with the light that I've got. I like these. We have this is a silver one, so it's got the same sort of shape body kit in it, and we have a indicator painted there. Looks, I was going to say it's got a front mounted intercooler, but no, probably just the grille that they've got there. Black interior. Does have a roll cage in the back seat. We've got Subaru with a pink STI on the back, and WRX on the other side. No number plate. Single exhaust, as you would expect. Look, I'm very happy with these. There's not much to them, and they're actually quite cheap. I bought these in Melbourne when I was there last year. No, maybe this year, beginning of this year. So they are opened. Quick review, quick look, 5-minute in and out. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I will be opening up some more Rally Pack Subarus coming up real soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.